Good day, I'm Martin Piaton from Taguig City, Philippines. Now, today I'm going to show you how to decode a beef hindquarter. Let's begin.
Sagad-agad sa ugat ha. Musik gamay. Ubus gamay. Ubus pa gid. Baba pa na. Na. Timing lang. Good. Right. Timing. Good. Right. Last bone ka, check. Pahid yun. Lahos yun. Lagi. Good. Lahos yun. Ay, halfway. Tip lang ha. Good. Relax. Take time lang sir. Wala pa. Oh, white bones ha. Sayang. Aling kamote. Na. Good. Taas. Okay, balik sa sulod. Pagkat ano. Relax lang. Okay. Thumbs up.